How are you, student? Okay, I am also fine. In previous period, we have seen Maths-1, Chapter 5, probability, and from that lesson, we have already seen sample space, then event, and practice set 5.2 and 5.3. Now we are going to see the last point in this chapter is probability of an event. Open your textbook and write down probability of an event. Write down the meaning. When possibility of an expected event is expressed in number, it is called probability. It is called probability. This is very simple meaning of probability. If sample space is S, and A is an event, then probability of A is probability of event A is P of A. It is given by following formula. It is given by following formula, that is P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. Here P of A means probability of event A. P of B means probability of event B. P of C means probability of event C is equal to N of A means number of sample points in event A. N of S means number of sample points in sample space. It is lies between means our answer will be it is lies between 0 to 1 means 0 is less than or equal to P of A is less than or equal to 1, or 0% is less than or equal to P of A is less than or equal to 100%. That means our answer will be in 0 to 1 or 0%, not here 1. 0% is less than or equal to P of A is less than or equal to 100%. This is the range of our answer. On the basis of probability of event, we can now see the practice set 5.4. There is only one formula in this lesson. P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. Write down this, and now we will see practice set 5.4. See in your textbook, which is first question or first example from practice set 5.4. Write down first one. If two coins are tossed, find probability of events. Find probability of an events. Getting at least one head. Getting at least one head. This is first event. And second one, getting no head. Getting no head. What we have to write first? If two coins are tossed, means we have to write first sample space of this random experiment. S is equal to, you know how to write sample space. Two coins are tossed, that means HH, HT, TH and TT. Is it correct? M of S is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then first one. Let. Why let? Here the name of event is not given. Let event A is getting. Event A is getting at least one head. At least one head, and therefore A is equal to at least one head means कम से कम एक हेड लेकिन दो भी चलेगा, ऐसा मीनिंग है. एट लीस्ट वन हेड, दो भी चलेगा. एच एच, एच टी, टी एच. एन ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू 3. And now P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S, and therefore P of A is equal to 3 upon 4 is required probability of first event. Then second one, let event B is getting. Second one, let event B is getting. What is event B? No head, and therefore B is equal to, from sample space, which sample points such that there is no head. There is two head, one head and no head. That means B is equal to TT. N of B is equal to 1. You know, all these events are the subset of sample space. And now P of B means probability of event B is equal to N of B divided by N of S, and therefore P of B is equal to 1 upon 4 is required probability of event B. This is first example. See how easy it is. So many easy examples from this chapter, probability. Now we are going to, any problem in this example? 11 student. All these examples are very easy. Now we are going to see the next one. See third example from our textbook. What is third example? There are 15 tickets in a box. There are 15 tickets in a box, each bearing one. Each bearing one of the from 1 to 15. Means एक निकलने का from 1 to 15. One ticket is drawn. One ticket is drawn at random. At random from the box. Find probability of given events. Which are events? Shows as even number. Shows as even numbers. And second event shows a number which is multiple of 5. Number which is the numbers which are multiple of 5. What we can do first? First we have to write the sample space. There are 15 tickets in a box, each bearing one of the from 1 to 15. One ticket is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability. What is the sample space? S is equal to 1 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Check once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We can write in such a manner 1, 2, 3, dash, 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 15, bracket complete. We can write this also. Let event A. Let event A is getting even numbers. And therefore A is equal to, see which are even numbers from this 1 to 15. You know odd number, even number and prime number also. Which are even numbers? Correct. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. How many these numbers are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N of A is equal to 7. Now P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. And therefore P of A is equal to 7 upon 15. This is the required probability. And then second event is, let the event B is getting a number which is multiple of 5. here second event. Let event B is getting. Event B is getting the numbers which are multiple of 5, and therefore B is equal to multiple of 5 means 5, 10 and 15. 5, 10, 15 means n of B is equal to 3, and therefore P of B is equal to n of B divided by n of S is equal to 3 upon 15. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, and therefore P of B is equal to 1 upon 5 is required probability of event. And then now listen carefully what is I am telling you. Practice set 5.1, 5.2, 5.3 and 5.4. Remaining all examples try to solve yourself. If any problem, you can ask first your friend and then you will ask me. That means this chapter probability is the last chapter of this maths part 1. That means our syllabus is over. Now next period we will start maths 2. Okay? Best luck.